Do you know I applied for YouTube monetization without any fear or panic? A lot of people, before they apply for monetization, they always have this fear in their heart. What if? What if they don't accept me? What if they reject the application? But for me, I applied knowing fully well that I will be accepted. Now, a lot of you have posted content on your channel which is against YouTube guidelines, but you don't know. And now you have hit your 4,000 subscriber and watch hour, you want to monetize. Now I will advise that you check your channel for you to know if there's any video that is against their guideline, if there's any video that has copyright that you are not aware of. I will advise that you check, so that by the time you apply for monetization, you will be accepted at once. You won't have any fear or panic, because you know that you are free, you did not do anything, you get. So let's get right into the video. Let me show you what you need to check before applying for monetization. And if you check that place and you see that there is something there, there's a video there that is against their guideline, please kindly delete it. Or if there's any way you can edit it, maybe it's a sound or anything that is causing hindrance, verify it before applying for monetization. So let's get right into the tutorial.
So you are going to go to your Chrome browser and click on it, and you search for studio.youtube.com. So after searching, it will bring you to this interface. Then you click on continue to studio. Click on it. Then it will bring you to this interface here. To bring you here. So all you need to do is this. You can zoom it and see, so you can see clearer. So you click on this filter. You can see filter here. Click on it. Make sure you are already clicking on video. The first one here is dashboard. The second one is videos. Your videos. Make sure you are clicking on these videos. This is the one you have to click on. So after you click on it, you are clicking on this video. So after clicking on videos, you click on filter. You can see it here. Click on it. You see filter here. Click on it. So after clicking on that filter, if you check where, you see where they wrote copyright. If you check where, you will see where they wrote copyright. So you're going to click on copyright. So after clicking on that copyright, if you have any video on your YouTube channel that has copyright issues, you will find it here. So when you find any video here that has copyright, please do well to rectify it. If it's for you to delete the video, if it's a sound that you need to mute, please do so that when you apply for your monetization, YouTube will accept you. Because most people, when they want to apply, they are always scared, what if they don't accept me? But if you follow this process, trust me, this was what I did before I applied for monetization. And when I checked, it was one shot that was showing, one short video. I just had to delete the short, and then I applied and I was accepted. So always check in case you have anything copyright or anything that will hinder your monetization process. So guys, that is it for this video. It's a very short video and straightforward video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please kindly give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.